Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa EasyFit ceiling mounted fixed head. Locate the position for the fixed head in the bathroom. Check that there is suitable space behind the ceiling for the fixing assembly. The head must be fixed to a secure mounting position. The minimum height requirement behind the ceiling is 50mm. The space must allow for an 80 by 50mm noggin to be used to support the assembly. Drill a hole 28 to 40mm in diameter through the ceiling and the noggin. Set the fixing bracket into position and mark the fixing points. Remove the bracket and drill 4 holes. Refit the fixing bracket and secure it through the ceiling and into the noggin using the screws provided. Using the compression fitting, feed the arm through a fixing bracket to the correct depth. Tighten the nut using a 32mm spanner. Run the shower for a few seconds to clear any debris and to check for any leaks. Carefully slide the cover plate back over the fixed head arm and into position against the ceiling. Secure the cover plate to the arm using the grub screw. Ensuring the rubber washer is in the correct position, attach the shower head to the fixed arm and carefully secure using a suitable spanner or tool with smooth jaws.